Hi dearest, how are you all doing? I'm back again with another pink fascinator. So here's what we have available to use. Our E7000, my needle, and still we're using this fishing line. Then we have this cinnamon bias. I think I'm going to just use probably 1.5. That will be enough for this. Then this this is it should be 1 inch. Where's my measurement tape? Okay, it's somewhere, but this is 1 inch. I'll sew it and be back. You already know how to do this. Then I'm going to be making use of these feathers, then this other feathers. So I'll be back. If you're new to the Vent channel, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on any of my lovely, unique trainings and designs. Oh, come on. Please do just click pause on this video and take the few seconds and click the subscribe button. Thank you. Done with wrapping this up. I so love this hairband with cinnamon. So the next thing I want to do is attach my feathers, and I'm going to be making use of the fishing line. So I think I like them focusing this way. So just grab the material. Yeah, I think that's okay. I would like to put you on a mannequin head and check. Yes, sir. Oh, and before we move on, while you're still watching the video, I want to quickly share something special with you. I created a membership right here on this channel designed to help crafters like you grow faster and feel more supported. Whether you're just starting out or looking for mentorship, there's something for everyone. At the basic level, you get loyalty badges, fun emojis, early access to my videos, and I prioritize your comments. As you go higher, you get even more exclusive members only videos and business mentorship via Telegram. Just click the join button below. If you can't see the join button, don't worry. I would place the link to where you can get to see all the membership levels and decide on which one you want. And you can take your pick. And I'd love to have you inside. Let's get back to the video. Keep watching and learning. Oh, yes, crafters. I have several trainings already running inside our Event Craft Academy Telegram group, and we're now gradually moving them over to my seller page to make access even easier for you. So, whether you prefer learning in a live community or through structured downloadable classes, I've got you covered. In the academic group, we have joint trainings, mini workshops, new video updates, connection days, and all round motivation. And on Seller, you get the courses on demand, anytime, anywhere. Just check the description below for links to both the Telegram group and the Seller course page and join whichever suits you best. Or even better, both.